Hey, my chickadees. Welcome back to the Back 40. All right, it is week 17 of our Margaret Miller collage challenge. And we have it here. Ta-da! Okay, this just reminds me of my childhood. Just kind of some childhood things. Don't care if it don't go together. Don't care if it don't flow. Makes me happy, so therefore I did it. Okay, it is week 17, a number or string of numbers, a food packaging label, something with a weather-related theme, a bird, a stamp, and bonus is lines. Okay, so I put this little flip in on our page, and it is an envelope. In this, I used my piano paper and covered this envelope. And then I added music sheet and just book pages to it and left the window open. So I put our stamp up here. And then there's our bird. It's a little hummingbird. And I put, there's a flower there, you know, because hummingbird and roses I love. So there you go. Pink's my color. So, yep. Though my favorite flower, even though I love pink, my favorite flower is a yellow rose. Go figure. Okay. Then you flip it over. And we have our week 17 here, and as you see, I just used one side. This is not a pocket. It's just a flip with writing space. On this side here, we have the thunderstorm with the lightning, and then we have our string of numbers. Because you know, when you were little and the lightning and the storm came up and the lightning struck and everything, you counted, and then it told you how close it was. So you counted between claps. Thunder claps you counted, and then lightning and thunder claps you counted. So there's my string of numbers. And then Funyuns is my favorite chip. So I have my Funyuns there. And then I put lines on it. And then I use my ink, my calligraphy ink. Let's see. There you go. With my calligraphy glass pen. And it's my new play toy that I got from the Goodwill. And I love it. Okay. And so I put that on there. And then, yeah, I'll be proud. I did not use my fingers, even though it kind of looked like it. I promise you I didn't. I took my paper and I smeared it down with the baby wipe. So, you know, I was thinking rain, you know, that kind of thing with the lines. So, you know, trying to make it go a little bit. But anyway, there we go. And that page just makes me happy. It makes me think about my childhood with eating my Funyuns and listening to the thunderclaps and counting between and just having a hee-haw time with that. And I had left, yeah, I left that. We'll have to cut that down. Let me. Cut this down here. There we go. And stick that. I use my pink and shears. Stick that in there. Okay. And that is our week 17 all put to bed, y'all. Thanks. Bye. Have a good one.